YouTube tutorial or like thumbnail, then you could do this. So what I also like to do is hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can how you can create a easy double exposure effect using Canva. Now, to be able to do that is quite simple. What you need to have is at least 2 photos that you have to blend. So I have already prepared these 2 photos here, which I have found by going through the Canva, something that you upload. But for me, I chose this from the elements where, oh yeah, this one from here. So I just searched up like person on a mountain. Then I went to photos over here. So you see you have these kinds of photos. Now you can see that there is a crown logo over here, which means that you cannot access this image without a Canva Pro account, which is why I'm gonna tell you that you have a chance, or like you can use Canva Pro if you want. If you head over to the link in the description, you'll see that there is a link to Canva Pro that you can be able to use so that you can access a lot of Canva Pro features or elements that you can use in your photos or projects or whatever it may be in 30 days, and it's all for free. And yeah, so there's no reason for you to hesitate, because you can try it for free for 30 days without any pay. And only when you reach 30 days, or like after that, they will still remind you that your payment is due before they will take a some amount out of your credit card. But you know, you can always cancel it beforehand. But if you do like using Canva Pro, then I suggest that you do use Canva Pro. If you like editing on Canva, if you like using a lot of their elements, then Canva Pro is the best solution to have a lot of access. Without any further ado, let's get into the topic at hand. So how do you create a double exposure picture? Now, if you go over here to Google and search up double exposure effect, let me show you an example of what it looks like. It should look like this. So these ones are quite what do you call it? These ones are quite difficult to do. These are, I think, only possible with the use of Photoshop. Doing this on Canva is, I think, near impossible. But there is something that you can do that can mirror it to make it look close to that. So first of all, what I would like to do is to remove the background of this photo below this one. So I'm gonna put it backwards so I can focus on this photo first. So the background remover is a Canva Pro feature, and as you can see, with just one click, all of the background that this photo has is gone, and it still looks amazing. The quality is still good. It will retain it later. It's still loading. And as you can see, it looks like that. You know, when you're trying to do that sort of YouTube tutorial or like thumbnail, then you could do this. So what I also like to do is to go to this picture on the back, and then we access apps over here and search up easy reflections. Then we click on this one. Then we go back and click this image and click on create reflection and choose what kind of reflection you want your photo to have. So I want it to have bright, and then I'm gonna increase the opacity to make sure. Then I can also increase or lower the offset so that there can be a lot of blending going on. So you just need to click on add to design, and you should have this. Now I can delete the photo at the back and then just increase the size of it. And then now what we can do is we can add a background photo if you want to. You can have like a background, just a plain background photo. For example, maybe this one here. Just enlargen it to fit the entire design, and then send it back. And now it looks like this, right? It has this what do you call it? Contrasting effect to it. It looks nice. Another thing you can do is you can add some text by creating a text box over here, and then maybe you can write key to success. If you'd like if your video is centered around that concept, up to you. Choose a font that you'd like to use. Maybe this one. Of course, you can still choose a lot better ones than this. This is just a sample. You can even lower the letter spacing to make them, and even the line spacing to make it closer to each other. Then even go to effects here, line it up, add some effects, make it glitchy, make it echoey, up to you. The future is yours. So that's it. That is how you can create a double exposure effect on Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.